So hello adventurers, today I want to show you this vintage unknown pocket knife here. It is bigger than the standard Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and it does come with a lot of tools like a large blade, wood saw, small blade, can opener, bottle opener and screwdriver, a awl and a corkscrew. But now quite a moment for today's sponsor, nature. Yeah, the beautiful nature. No subscription needed. Only a bit of care. And now let's return to my review of this unknown vintage, probably 1970s pocket knife. So, I don't know how old this knife is. I'm guessing it is, well, around about 1960s, maybe early 1970s, but it could also be 1950s. The only marking on the knife is here on the blade, but it's too small for me to read. I will later take a picture and look it up. So, it does say rust free and then the letters GMD in a circle. But yeah, here we got the large blade. Let's see how large it is. It is right about 4.5 centimeters. Small blade is about 4. The corkscrew, which is a bit bent, the awl, which is perfect to drill holes in something like this. Just put it on, and as you see, it is very sharp, goes straight like nothing. Yeah, the blade is also quite sharp. Let's take the smaller one. You see, it's quite sharp. I haven't sharpened it yet to a razor sharp finish like I usually do, but it feather sticks. Good for carving. The wood saw is a very good wood saw. It's a very strong and solid one. Got massive teeth on it. Goes straight like nothing. Can you see it here? Yeah. Not quite so, but yeah. It's very sharp. The only one that's really hard opens is this one here, but yeah. Have to oil it a bit. We got a sharpened bottle opener, so this one is sharpened here. And when I say sharpened, I mean it is sharp. Yeah, so very easy for opening some cans. Big screwdriver and a bottle opener. And yeah, overall, quite a good knife. And as you see, unlike the standard Victorinox knife, it does have the pins driven directly through the shell, which is actually quite good because the shells don't fall off. It is made out of stainless steel with normal steel in between. so sandwiched. Yeah, the only thing it doesn't have is a toothpick and tweezers and yeah, the little keyring thing, but overall it's a good knife. Solid. Weight wise, it's not bad. The complete life length you see is about 10.5 centimeters. And yeah, it's a good knife. Mystery knife from the 1970s, 1960s, somewhere there. And yeah, blade length enough. And yeah, trust me, this knife takes a beating. This is a workhorse. It's like going through it like butter, and it is not even sharpened. And by the way, talking about a knife care, I do not use some special oil or something for my knives. I'm using just normal sunflower oil, the one you use for frying your fries in or something. Because if I cut something I eat, I don't want to have motor oil or something on my knife. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video about my mystery pocket knife from the 60s or 70s. Yeah, if you have seen such a knife before, leave a comment. And yeah, if not, well, just leave a like or subscribe. And how life goes. Whilst editing this video, I actually found out who made this knife. And it was made in East Germany. Yeah, behind the Berlin Wall. The Iron Curtain. So, and like always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Go out there and have fun.